Okay, I'm live, right. This is my unboxing. I'm doing another video, a better video, on the new Experience 570A machine. Now, I've unboxed it already for a new video where I'll show you how to use the zipper foot on this machine. So I'm going to open it again. So, you see, you open the box and you get your foot pedal, which is here. To that, that's your foot pedal. And then the adapter, your plug, then you get the important manual. Now for each machine, always use the manual first. The manual is important, and that has, let's open it out here, okay? In the manual, you get 4 instructions in the manual. And then in the back page, it'll have your stitches. So you got 200 on machine, and you get number 89 on that one. And so you get the molds on it as well. So you get 190 on here, and number 200 in there. So you get 308 stitches on the machine, which is amazing. So you get that as well, and plus your warranty. That needs to be filled in, okay? Right. Next part is you get this end table. It's a big one. And it measures, it's 14 inches across. That's a big step, and it's quite big. That'll go. And then this is where it gets tricky. Now, the machine is pretty, it comes with a cover, hard cover, and don't take that out. First time, don't take it out, okay? Important bit. And now, the machine. Now mine's better, so I'm taking that out, okay? Yeah. There is the machine. I like the lorry, and just remember to turn down so you can see what I'm doing. That's my machine. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Now what I'll do is to make it so you can see, I'm going to fold the box up like this. Take the machine down here, and I'm two boxes upside down. So you can see the machine. So that. That's my machine. Now, it comes with all the feet. And now, I've got one tip here, right? I bought these scissors off eBay. And these are called needle whip scissors. When you needle breaks, right? These here, you see the flat here. So needle breaks means, I'll show you a bit of fabric here. I'll show you a bit of fabric. I'll show you this bit of paper here. I'm not showing this bit of paper here. Is these scissors don't cut, right? These, the grip. So the grip, they don't cut. So you need a brace on here. These, able to put in here a bit and it take it out. So that's now sprays. I've been to Aspen sprays. I've been to Aspen from sometimes. Now, these sprays here are from Crest Companion. Now they're for fabric. Don't use ones for can making. It can mess the bits. So this is permanent spray adhesive. That's it. It stays there. This one is the same as this one, but this is for repositionable. So when you spray it on, this one, there's no. This one has a little. Now, it's not a spray paint. There's no crosses, no harmful. It's safe. This one, these are all safe. So that's what I need to get across. Some people have been saying, to these fabrics it sprays, it just say on the can, fabric. Make sure you use for fabric only, not for can making. These are for sewing these machines, okay? And I'm going to make you aware of is the feet. The feet from this machine, these feet here, right? These feet are Elna feet. Don't use the one for your brush machine on this machine. It won't work. So I phoned up and checked. These feet are made for this machine only. So please only use the name, the feet that Elna make for this machine. Don't use any other machine to sit right on this machine. You might end up using the wrong machine. So that's what I want to do. Is it's got all your buttons. It's got fit stop. It's got up and down needle. So when you press that button there, it cuts it and brings it back up again. So it all. Now I will put it on. I just need to readapt it 1 second. Readapt it and you see what it is. Sorry, essence. Right. I will show you. Somebody said to me that it's the machine's not very good, so I'm just going to plug it in now here so you can see what I mean by how to use your stitches on it. Right, there we go. Right. So the machine has 200 stitches on it, 200 dates in it, the big built-in, and you get the tabs there that come out. Okay, so right. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on by here and watch. It's on. Numbers here. Okay, so now I'm going to put a zip foot on here. I'm going to try to put a zip in. So I'm just put another zip foot here. There's your zip foot. It's got an E on it. So you put this, you bring your foot up, press it. And that's just that's got an A in it. Do you see the A? Right. So put this one on that. And that. Now I'm just going to check that is a bit. I'm just going to do a second. Right, because it's zip up, so now I need to make sure I can, is that okay? I'm just going to make sure that pops on around. This is both ends. Right. I'm just do that. Yes, man. That's fine. Right. So now I'm gonna get my fabric here. To my fabric. I got a zip as well somewhere. He says in a. I do have a zip. I put it down somewhere. I put it down. Oh, there we go. Right. I've got a zip that's long. Okay. So now I'm going to attach this on. Yeah. So I'm gonna and to make sure I'm just going to do it slowly so it's done. Right, that's it now. I'm making sure that my needles go in there. I'm just going to slowly and make sure. I know it's done a bit, it's done that, it's fine. I'm just going to put a zip in. Get it to the end. This button here, it cuts it off. You see there, the zip's in. But I've done it wrong. I'm just gonna cut this piece off here, so it's level. And now you put the next piece on. Oh, you see there, I've done there. All you do, mistake, just unpick it. And then just slowly back on the machine. Put it off. And you get a machine and just cut a bit off there. So that's now all done. Yeah, it's piece here. You do the same on this side. Make sure you get that size. Second. Right, so I do that. Now I sew these bits onto this side. Take your time. Make sure they match up. Just slowly do it. Do that. So now you got the zip. Now, to top stitch it, I'm using the same foot, and I'm going to create my top stitch right down this channel here. So it means it's spot on. See, and the other side, same again, under the foot, that's all. It's that quick. Just take your time, there's no rush. And this machine is great for beginners, it's fantastic for beginners, I can't fault it. Just take your time. Last bit here, up, and you press, and it cuts it. And look at that. Perfect stitches, that's perfect. Now is this bit here, I need to sew over that bit. So I'm just going to go over that bit. So I can now cut that bit off. So now I'm going to put it off. Now with the zip pull here, pull down, you cut it off here, like that. And now I'm going to sew that piece together so the zip doesn't come off. And do it quite a few times. Do a back stitch on it, and do a front stitch on it again. And press stop. So it's now done. Take it off, and then you just stitch it up. You made a bag. So there's your zip, all done, encased. And that's you do your zip, and the stitching is immaculate. And that's actually the front. Now, say you want embroidery and you want to make your foot look more better. Well, I'm showing something now. Now this will be amazing. How to do your own name in. Now, you need a manual for this. I'll show you what I'm doing, sorry. If you're thinking, why do you need a manual? Well, you need, because the manual has all the bits of information you need. So, got manual, and I'll do my name on the back. So, go to the back of the manual, and here, there's modes. You want mode 1. So you press that, you go 1, 2 to A. Okay. I want to pick 10. So you're that one, memory. Then I want L, it's 21. Right. Then I want 10 EN. And then I want N, which is that one. Then you want to put a stop in, you down to here, and you want 99. So you're down in your mode, and you put 99, which you don't want to do for some reason. Okay, that. So, and then you hit the button. So I put my thread here. I do it in the back, but you can see better. And now I'm going to do it on. I'm going to need about not any probably 1 second, a minute. But I'll do it in this bit of fabric. But I don't know if you can see it, I do it in pink so you can see better. I don't know if you can see it in this. I'll just do it some. This is got a piece of fabric here, I've got some pink fabric here. I'll do it in this bit here. I'll just show you on this fabric how it works. So you'd be surprised. Fabric there. And you press it. No hands. No hands. It's doing it itself. It's amazing. It's quiet. It's simple. There's no. It's amazing. And I press stop. It'll keep going. And watch. Done it. Do it again. I'll do it again. Do it again. It's that simple. It's unbelievable. You can put a website in it, your website address, your phone number, anything you like in this machine. It is brilliant. And now I'm going to press stop. Button. And we'll go to that. My name is that is amazing. I mean, this machine is for beginners. It's, I think it's the best one you can get. It's not heavy. It's quick, quiet. The build quality is amazing. You get feet. No, it's what middle. Still got top. Still, I'm used it yet. The machine, get for beginners. It's fantastic for people who start into their sewing journey. There's 3 sorts. There's the 550, which has 50 stitches. That's great. That's okay. It doesn't have the buttons here. The 560 has all the buttons. That's for new stitches. The 570 has 200 on the machine and over 180 on the manual. So in total, it's 308 stitches in there. And the feet, get feet below need, all your feet you need. It's easy thread. Just the top bit, and then this bit, it's a beginner. You can make it go fast or slow, so it's incredible. and you turn it on. That's all, turn it on, you just get a beep. Done. And when you thread it up, right, you don't have to lift the thread up from the bottom. The thread up, all you do is you thread it up, it's done. There's no yet to turn the handle. Always turn the handle towards you. Do not, please, right, this is important. This here, always turn it this way. Do not turn that the opposite. It'll bet the gearing. Don't do it. So this bit here, you don't touch it. So what I do is, see what I'm doing is, I'm doing this now. I'm going this way. Now clock face, you go that way. Don't go that way. Always go clockwise. Okay. It's important. And when you get the feet off, there's a black button here. You press it, they drop off. So these are great. I mean, I can't fault it. And the back bit here, you see your foot pedal, your bottom foot. The bottom foot, what's the bottom foot? I'll show you. And you're thinking, what on earth is that? How's that going there? I'll show you. Lift the foot up, take this off. Then, this bit here, you put it on like this. It's on. Simple. And that bit here moves down into that. So, yeah, that's how easy it is to put it on. It's easy to do. How to put it on. And then, it's easy to do. And for me, when I got it, I didn't read the manual. I just went, you know what, don't need the manual. I don't need it. And the stitch on this is incredible. That means that stitched. There's two, and it stitched it, no problem. I can show that now actually. It stitches like mad. So this is 8 layers of fabric here, 8 layers, and it sews like a dream. I'll just it's sewing like a dream. This is 8 layers of fabric. 8 layers. That's crazy. That. Gone through it. Yeah, no problems. So that's it, guys. So I enjoyed this video. I will do more videos later on this week, and I hope you like it. Take care of yourselves. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Bye. Ooh.